Good evening. Today we are reviewing the latest result from our Telegram channel. As we displayed in our introductory video, the channel provides alerts. These alerts highlight stock that show a weekly breakout at the close on the previous week. We consider this breakout statistically interesting. Before looking at individual stock, let us summarize the overall pictures. Uh, we find this picture here. So we can see that we generate 33 total alerts with this week, which is the first week of the month. We generate 33 total alerts. So we can see the sector breakout. Energy is the most represented sector with five signal. Then we have financial service, communication service, healthcare, and consumer defenses follow with four signal each. Industrial and real estate have three signals, and basic materials, utilities, and consumer cycles show two signals. The first sector, the first sector overview already give us useful information. It helps us understand sector rotation and capital concentration. How to read the signal? We now move on the operational analysis. We will review the signal one by one. So we start with the first one. Um, for example, we can see amp. We look at the hand of the legend, and we see right weekly, then USA as market reference, and then we see SP 500. That is the demonstration that the stock belong to the S&P 500. The pole indicates the presence of relevant volume, and volume is essential for us when validating a breakout. In the top right corner of each chart, we always see the type of breakout. So in this case, we see the trend line breakout, and this is a very important look at slope. We prefer, in the first example, let's start with Ameriprise Financial Inc. Quindi here we see a classic trend line breakout. The breakout level is 507, and the slope is 52 punto mark 40. In our methodology, we prefer lower slope. For these reasons, even if the signal is technical valid, we do not consider the stock at this stage. The same logic applies to the second Ahon. We see that the slope is 5.657 Mark II. Is it not good? Then we can scroll the title. We see, for example, APD, quindi our product and chemicals, the same film. We find the slope too high, too inclinates. Um, I I want to see you also that the importance of this graph, because we are looking at a weekly chart to the time horizon is very clear. We can see price action that start in February 2021, and so the stock have an historical. So I see immediately that the stock have an important historical struggle to break above for 300 level, and we see that the price action is very touch this level 250. So we have an immediately vision of the title, the behavior of title. So we can continue to scroll Biogen, and moving on. Biogen is in the pharmaceutical sector, healthcare. Here we see a slope between 50%, and uh, again, this is quite high and close to the limits of our criteria. And finally, we arrive to a title, to a stock that we we enjoy, is CARR, the symbol CAR, and we find particularly interesting this stock. Here we observe a key elements. We have a double signal in the same week at level breakout and the trend line breakout. So this is a level breakout, the, an horizontal line that was touched many times, and represent a line of rotation, resistance in some period, become support in other periods. So this is very technical analysis. Uh, this this talk, we go to the trading view, and we start to see the monthly time frame. So we know that the monthly chart is well structured. The stock reached strongly in the 55 mark 3 30 to 54, this area that was the top of August September 21, and this level was tested many times. It was also dirty, meaning price moved around it several times. Recovering this area is a strong relative strength signal. So our goal is never to avoid drawdown completely. Drawdown are normal in the long-term structure. Our goal is to find better entry points on the weekly chart. We in the weekly chart, a strong move could push the stock toward 59.60. A break above 60 could lead to a test of last month high. This could happen early in the month. A pullback toward 58, 56 is also possible. We find this level in the daily time frame near the moving average, the fast moving average that we use in our graph, and we see that the hourly chart confirm this area of 58 as possible pullback, but it's not necessary because the stock can start and go up immediately in the first session. So we can see CHEP. Next, we look at CHEP. This stock shows interesting characteristics, appear to be in a trend continuation phase. So we see that in the graph. The main move brought the price from 14 to 18, and later it moved toward 100. Today, the stock look oriented toward potential new high. Um, Now we see Comcast Corporation. It's very interesting because the slope is very interesting. It's quite gentle. At first glance, we see a clear test of the low. This suggests that support around the 25 has been validated, and this opens the door to a possible recovery toward the higher level. Uh, Here we have an horizontal breakout at the high. This is rarely on the weekly, and we have complete now the signal of the analysis of Comcast Corporation. So we can go directly to Fang. Fang is the another double signal, double alert, and level breakout and horizontal breakout. We study in our trading view the title, the stock, and you find in the update of this video the analysis because we publish the video the graph on TradingView. So in the note of the video you can follow the update of our position. I would like to conclude with the final notes. As mentioned before, you will find update inside the video itself. Our main goal is to reduce analysis time. This allow us to focus on other activities. We want to provide a clear summary of the best alerts, and we also update position directly on the same chart. This helps us keep a clear and context overall view. Thank you for the attention, and you will can follow us following our comments. Bye bye.